analyzing ionic conductivity, scientists have to apply the contacts in quite an old-fashioned way. That takes a lot of time, a lot of attention, a lot of health, and brings unexpected results. Stop. We have something much better to work with. Please welcome Electrochemical Impedance cell. Suitable for the most common objects, including ceramics, coin cells and membranes. Durable materials, wide working temperature range, and proper sample handling guarantees the faster achievement of finest results. The device was successfully approved within the Skoltech-MIT scientific project and will be described in the upcoming papers. We believe this simple device will be essential for many of scientists around the world. And now, we need your help to make it real. A lot of things was done, but we are always ready to grow. Become a part of our team. Analyze the literature and collect the real feedback from the real scientists to reveal the optimization ways and find end users. We started with an idea to improve the life of particular scientists. And now we celebrate a chance to make it real for the whole electrochemical community. We need you to turn the project into a product. Please find us if you want to learn more. Thank you for attention.